Once your simulation or design run is finished, you want to have a nice overview of the results that were simulated. To find this overview, simply click on your case. You will be directed to the Case Summary tab, where you will find all the information you need. Let's go through the different tables. The first table displays the maximum, the mean, and the minimum temperature that is measured on each entity, either a region, a boundary, or possibly a subregion. The coloring helps spot immediately the coldest and the warmest entities. Temperatures are here expressed in Kelvin. In the second and the third tables, the relative pressure and the mass flow at boundaries of type inlet or outlet are shown. Pressure is presented in Pascal, while the mass flow rate has units of kilogram per second. Be aware that a positive value means an incoming mass flow and a negative value means an outgoing mass flow. The heating power values are shown in the fourth table at all regions, boundaries, or subregions. These values indicate the heating power in watts that is transferred to the regions, subregions, or boundaries. If we look at the inlet and outlet, the positive value means that heat is added via this boundary, while the negative value means that heat is evacuated through the boundary. If a volumetric heat source is defined for a specific region or subregion in the case setup, it will be shown as a Q source with the same sign convention. The first table on the right-hand side shows the mass, energy, and momentum imbalances for each region. These values are only provided for your convenience, since the system has its own mechanism to detect when the run has converged. The Y plus value is a non-dimensional number used as a measure of mesh coarseness or fineness for a flow. The maximum, minimum, and average values of the Y plus at all boundaries are displayed. In the last table, you can find a summary of the boundaries areas in square meters units.